Recording in progress.
Hello students, myself Babita Saxena, Assistant Professor in SIRT College, and today's my topic is important topic of signal and system as point of view RGPV exam. So in unit 1 you have to study all the topics as continuous time signal, discrete time signal, their representation, their difference, energy and power signal, random signal, all. In the unit 1 basic operation is also here, so you have to study the basic operation and the properties of system is very important. Linearity, time variant, causal, non-causal, this is very important topic. In the unit 2 analysis of continuous time signal is the very difficult unit because it is a numerical unit. In this unit Fourier series analysis, Fourier transform, Laplace and the wavelet, there are 4 topics. So the wavelet transform is a short note, so you have to study very well. Laplace transform properties, reason of convergence are very important. Fourier transform properties very important, okay, and numericals तो है important. In the unit 3 linear time invariant system, differential equation representation, block diagram, state variable representation, impulse response is very important, and analog filters are only the theory part, okay, this is only the theory part. So you have to study the 4 topic only: differential equation, state variable, impulse response. In the unit 4 analysis of discrete time signal, convolution, sampling, DTFT and the Z transform are very important topic, and these are very easy topic also, so you have to study all these topics. In the unit 5 you have to study the difference equation, block diagram representation and digital filters. So this is the very important topics, and this is the RGPV paper. As you can see, there is a questions of linear time invariant system and the differential equation and Fourier series analysis. So these topics are the very important as a RGPV exam. Thank you.